In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to connect your iPhone to your Amazon Echo to use it as a Bluetooth speaker. I will also show you a quick and easy way to connect and disconnect it after it's been paired.
Searching. Now connected to Daniel's iPhone.
I'm using an iPhone for this video, but it will also work with Android phones. The first thing you'll need to do is slide your finger down from the right hand corner of the screen and press and hold the Bluetooth icon. Press and hold it again and press Bluetooth settings. You should now say the following: Alexa, pair.
Searching.
Your Echo device should now appear on screen. Touch it and you should be connected.
Now connected to Bluetooth.
Now let's play one of my videos to see if it's worked. I've changed the wake word and speaking, so I won't be using the A word during this video. Alexa, pause. If you want to disconnect, just say the wake word followed by the name of your device. For example, Alexa, disconnect Daniel's iPhone.
Now disconnected from Daniel's iPhone.
Reconnecting is just as simple. Alexa, connect Daniel's iPhone.
Searching. Now connected to Daniel's iPhone.
If you enjoyed this video, check out my next video where I show you more tips and tricks that you can do with your Amazon Echo. Thanks for watching. Bye.